As the coronavirus continues to spread across the world, the Trump administration shut off access for anyone trying to claim asylum from the border.
We've reached an agreement with both Canada and Mexico to limit non-essential travel across our land borders.
For those migrants waiting at shelters like La Casa del Migrante in San Luis Rio Colorado, Sonora, Mexico, that brings their plans to a halt.
Me siento triste, pero sé que esto es ya una precaución.
When Cronkite News went to the Casa del Migrante about a month ago, there were over 60 people receiving vaccines at the center. Now, Perez is one of the 15 Cubans left.
Porque pues ellos no hay manera de que regresen a su país y ellos estarán el tiempo que sea necesario aquí en Casa del Migrante hasta que esta contingencia pues nos indiquen que ya pasó el peligro.
The migrants have traveled many miles to ask for asylum, but the virus's deadly reputation caused the border to close and persuaded the migrants to head home.
Teníamos algunas familias de mexicanos, se les explicó la situación, ellos alcanzaron a regresar y seguir trabajando.
Casa del Migrante no longer accepts new migrants because of the threat of coronavirus, but they found a way to keep helping them, even homeless people in need.
Ahora ese tipo de servicios se dan a través de la ventanilla y se le da a la gente su comida para llevar.
Salgado says at the Casa del Migrante they do medical checkups every day for the Cubans that remain at the shelter and for volunteers in order to make sure they are healthy. Other organizations such as Lutheran Social Services of the Southwest had to stop their efforts at the border. Connie Phillips, the president of the organization, said this situation creates much more of a deficit for the migrants.
The shelters that are there, the providers that are feeding people and trying to keep people in safe and in facilities of some kind, that is going to be even more challenging for them.
The migrants remaining at the shelter are grateful for the help and say the changes from the pandemic are just out of their hands.
No es esperar, consciente de lo que está pasando, sí. Así que es evitar que se propague más lo que está pasando actualmente ahora.
In Phoenix, Tina Giuliano, Cronkite News.